Heading out on a trip in 2025? Great. But before you zip up that carry-on, hold up. A few simple packing mistakes could lead to delays, extra fees, or worse, having your essentials confiscated at security. In this quick guide, we're revealing the top carry-on mistakes travelers are still making and how to avoid them. Trust us, it could save your entire trip. Today, we will talk about don't make these carry-on mistakes in 2025, could ruin your trip. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Overpacking your carry-on. One of the most common mistakes travelers continue to make, even in 2025, is overpacking their carry-on luggage. Airlines have become increasingly strict with size and weight restrictions, especially with the surge in air travel demand and the evolution of digital check-in systems that now automatically flag overweight bags. If your bag exceeds the size or weight limit, you're likely to face additional fees or be forced to check it at the gate, potentially delaying your boarding process or even misplacing essential items. Overpacking also creates stress during TSA screening. Digging through layers of clothing to remove electronics or toiletries can hold up the line and frustrate everyone involved. Smart travelers in 2025 prioritize packing only essentials, using packing cubes and compression bags to save space without exceeding limits. Don't underestimate the importance of planning. Check your airline's most recent size and weight limits before heading to the airport. If you're traveling internationally, remember that rules can vary widely across airlines and countries. Avoiding the overpacking mistake not only ensures a smoother journey, but also protects your bag, your wallet, and your time. Resources you'll want intact once you reach your destination. 2. Ignoring updated airline policies. Airline policies in 2025 have become increasingly dynamic, influenced by factors like sustainability measures, new security technologies, and customer feedback loops. Travelers often make the mistake of assuming carry-on rules are the same as they were last year or even last month. Many airlines have adjusted what counts as a personal item, reduced allowable carry-on weights, or limited items such as power banks or smart bags. Some budget airlines now allow only one item on board unless you pay extra, and they enforce these rules strictly with digital bag scanners at boarding gates. Failure to check your specific airline's latest rules could mean scrambling at the airport or paying hefty fees. In some cases, you might even be forced to gate check your bag without time to reorganize important items like medication or electronics. Also, policies around liquids, lithium batteries, and duty-free items vary widely, particularly on international flights. The best way to avoid surprises is to double-check your airline's carry-on policies within 24 hours of your flight. Don't rely on outdated travel blogs or advice from friends. Go directly to the source. In 2025, informed travel is smooth travel. 3. Carrying prohibited or restricted items. Despite clear TSA and international aviation guidelines, many travelers still make the costly mistake of packing prohibited or restricted items in their carry-ons. In 2025, security screening systems have become more advanced, using eye-assisted scanning and biometric verification, which means banned items are more likely to be flagged and you more likely to be delayed or even fined. Items such as full-size liquids, sharp objects, flammable materials, and certain electronics, like hoverboards or vape pens with lithium-ion batteries, continue to cause problems. Even some seemingly harmless items, like peanut butter, snow globes, or souvenir swords, have landed travelers in unexpected trouble. Furthermore, international destinations often have their own lists of restricted carry-on items, especially when it comes to agricultural products, medications, or cultural artifacts. A mistake here can lead to customs violations, delays, or confiscation of valuable belongings. Always use the official TSA or IATA, International Air Transport Association, resources to cross-check items, and when in doubt, put the questionable item in your checked bag or leave it at home. In 2025, tech-savvy tools like AI packing lists and airline apps with integrated restriction alerts can help you avoid this costly and inconvenient mistake. 4. Forgetting tech essentials in carry-on. In 2025, travel is increasingly digital. Boarding passes are electronic, travel documents are stored in mobile wallets, and in-flight entertainment often requires your own device. Yet, many travelers still forget to pack key tech essentials in their carry-on. This oversight can lead to unnecessary frustration and reduced comfort on long flights. Essential carry-on tech now includes noise-canceling headphones, USB-C charging cables or region-specific plugs for international flights, and power banks, though only ones within regulated battery limits. Forgetting a charger can mean hours without entertainment, communication, or navigation, especially if your phone dies upon arrival. Some travelers also forget that smart devices like iPads, e-readers, or travel routers must be easily accessible for security screening. Worse still, placing these in checked luggage may lead to loss or damage. Many airlines now offer fast Wi-Fi and digital-only menus, requiring access to your smartphone or tablet throughout the flight. Don't risk arriving at your destination without digital boarding passes, hotel confirmations, or translation apps. A carry-on tech checklist is more critical than ever. Before heading to the airport, power up, update your travel apps, and ensure everything you need is in your personal item or top pocket of your carry-on. 5. Not organizing your bag properly. Organization is often overlooked when it comes to carry-on luggage, but in 2025, disorganized bags can be more than just annoying. They can trigger security rechecks, waste precious time, or result in lost items. A cluttered bag can lead to problems at TSA checkpoints, where you may be forced to pull everything out in front of a line of impatient travelers. More advanced screening equipment can now detect items more precisely, but they also flag bags that seem suspicious due to poor organization. That crumpled mess of wires, toiletries, and snacks, it's more likely to get you stopped. Smart travelers use see-through toiletry pouches, separate tech pouches, and packing cubes to keep everything easily visible and accessible. Organizing your bag so that essentials like your passport, phone, boarding pass, medications, and headphones are on top or in external pockets can make all the difference. This habit isn't just about speed, it's about stress management. Efficient organization can mean grabbing what you need in seconds rather than minutes.